Man, they did not want to lose this level. You guys see how many bids were coming at this level right here? 490-ish. They're doing everything possible to fucking climb out of this hole. Would be shocked if they run it here to about 500 and maybe even 505. But let's see. Come on. Please, 10 more points. All the way up. Is anyone long? Maybe scalp? No. Come on, give us more. Without peeling back. I got trail here. Again, I'm not shocked if they reject here, come back to 493 and do a hook like again and go here. And we should be getting some sort of action right here. And right about now. You guys see that? Okay, now they're most likely got enough buyers to see if they can push through here. This is a big level now that they're stuck like 500 level. It's a massive level for them. I'm gonna short it below 485 and a quarter. See if they like that or not, but I think we're gonna bounce here first. See. ES has a really bearish candle for me. Really bearish candle. You're short on ES. You had honestly no reason to get out till about 82 and a quarter is reclaimed. It looks like he wants to go lower. You just need fucking NQ to be participating in this. This guy's grabbing us. I would like to short it, but I just don't fucking trust him, guys. I'll be shorting the bottom of this balance that they created for the day, so I don't like it. Even though ES is screaming for more downside. Well, now they just completed the auction here, so let's see. They have to lose 72 now on ES. And then Q, of course, still the same. We're below the 496. We're fighting. I think a spike coming to 499. Like right there. Took one short here. See what they do. God. Come on, tap. There it goes. All right. This will be a spot where you fall from. Is anyone short? Or maybe not. I mean, if you guys are not, that's okay. I'm just playing the tiny bit of liquidity grabs they're playing. But it might be a lot more than tiny now. Please, fucking crack this. Fucking assholes, you're supposed to be going all the way to 420. Because there's a big low right here. It should be going 464 by now, but I guess they have other plans to defend this bullshit. There comes a bounce. ES is at the basically the key level here for. And Delta's pretty fucking red there. But here, oh my god, let's go. Just lose it. Oh yeah, come on, go down. Exhaust your fucking buyers already. I'm trailing here, guys. I think cute. They got me. Here goes the bounce again. Oh my god. 496. This is the most heart attack price action I've seen in fucking NQ. And on ES, this is a big, big zone, guys. You guys see. And we talked about it, right? So this is your prior balance, right? And December value area low. So they really need to slice it through here and then go 42 and downwards, but just playing a little peekaboo. It's becoming a crowded low here on NQ, so I don't know. I would not short this necessarily now. Too many trapped sellers here at this level. They can definitely bounce it from here, you know, as long as they hold this. And the bounce could be pretty fucking aggressive if you ask me. You can go to 530, 527, 75. And yeah. I'm a step away. I have 94 log. I'm trailing at 99, so I'm not giving them much point just because of the price action that they have. If I get stopped, I make $200. I'll be back for 3 p.m. I think we'll have around 527, peak above 527, and then Q. Here comes 509 on Q actually. Split second. If they go above 509, 527, I think it's happening quickly. I think they're about to execute that here. Okay, I'll be back. Have a good one. I'm gonna go eat some food. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Shorty.
Thanks, Shorty.
Bye.
Yeah, Triple G, the single prints sucked. They faded us hard. It's a bummer. When I trade live, I don't talk as much as Shorty does. I don't know how he always has something to say. And I'm not saying that in a derogatory way, but I think especially with me having worked last night, I'm pretty tired right now, so... Losing 82 will be pretty big. We'll go down to at least 69 if that happens. Probably more like 66, actually. If price action stays like this, I'm not going to be live for very long. Sorry, everybody. I'm already done trading for the day, and this is pretty dookie.
Pretty dookie.
What's up, Chance?
What up? Yeah, it's buns. I'm out of here.
You're off?
Yeah. I'm normally not even here this late anyways.
Yeah.
Usually gone by like 11:30 at the latest.
Yeah, I'm normally done too. Or I am done. I'm normally not on either. But
yeah. I mean, there's CPI Wednesday pre-market, PPI Thursday pre-market, so like I don't,
Yep, quad witching. Yeah.
Yeah, just a weird one.
All the good stuff.
I was hoping for like one big solid move today, which I mean technically did happen.
They're trying to bounce NQ right now, and they need to bounce it here. Like, this is a potential good long right now. And you can probably play it up to like 502-ish. Here we go. Bouncy. Because again, like I said, if we lost 82, we're dumping pretty good down to like 60.
Yeah, see, I can't sit around now because like it's the moves are 10 points on NQ, you know what I mean? Like, and then I'm just tempted to, because there's nothing else, I'll just get weird with it. I hate this shit.
No. They just caught like 10 points there, give or take. They should give us like 501-ish, though.
All right, good luck, guys. I'll see you.
Later, brother.
Later, bro.
Once you can read this crap, you can figure out generally when they're going to bounce or reject. Right now, this is a rejection right here, this 71 versus 29. 29 versus 31. They're probably going to sell this back down to here. Pretty ass right now. Yeah, especially like Triple G when the market's chopping, like NQ is probably your best bet for something to trade. Because it gives, I mean, on days like this, it's pretty slow still for me, but it gives much better moves than ES or SPY will. Go up and hit 501, please. So right now, this looks like we have more aggressive selling happening on the bid side, if I could speak English. So this would be either limit sellers or aggressive buyers. And it looks like it was buyers. And I want them to hit this 501. So that would be ideal. They are really trying to sell it here. Need a tiny bit of aggression to hit this 501. So right now this 0 is a completed auction at the top. Very good chance that there's my 501. Wouldn't be surprised to see a reversal back down to somewhere like 88-ish, 89, possibly 91. Buyers are looking pretty aggressive. They could push this back to about 516. This red line here is a sell side imbalance, so it'll take some effort to get through this, but it is possible. Apple's been trying to hold the universe up for a while now. It's a pain in my ass. We need a healthy pullback, and Apple's like, hold my beer. I don't really like how this looks. It looks like they're aggressive sellers, but it's kind of iffy. The way they kept pushing this up, but this could be a little sell-off here, but it's like too late to enter even if it is. You would want to get in at like 501, which is where we closed our little long. Oh, that's awesome. Big Mike blessed. Yeah. No, footprints on TradingView is absolutely trash. And for me to say that is big because I love pretty much everything about Top Step. I mean, on TradingView, sorry. I love pretty much everything about TradingView, but TradingView doesn't have order flow. And so for footprints, you need order flow. And without that, they have no way of calculating how many are coming in at the ask and the bid and whatever else. Yeah, so here they might actually try to push this up to 516. This will be key right here, 509. If we break this, we're going to 516. If they're able to break 516, then we'll be going to about 522-ish. But very good chance of a reversal between 516 and 522. Just have to see what happens. Looks like so far right off of, well, 514.50. Got pretty close to our 516 level. What's up, Juan? How you doing, my man? Dude can literally just say hi to me in voice chat, and he's typing to me. Daily profile. This is 5 minutes on NQ. And this is a 5-minute footprint chart. I mean, I have my previous day up here. This is my TPO for single prints here, this big yellow box. Right now is interesting. We have a completed auction at the top and a completed auction at the bottom. And what looks like some very aggressive buying right here at 504-ish. Could see them spike this up to 22. What's up, Scorpion? How you doing? What's up, listening, relax? How you doing? When I say this, it's not trying to sell or promote anything, but I trade almost live every day in my mentor's Discord. I trade live very rarely on YouTube. At least for now. Maybe I'll start doing it more in the future, but as of right now, it's going to be like hit and miss here and there, probably once a month or whatever. I'll trade live on YouTube. And in case anybody's curious, I'm done trading for the day, so I'm not taking actual trades. I'm just calling out what I'm seeing. Right on, J-Dog or Scorpion. Just so you know, Scorpion, like Shorty's buying Intel pretty heavily right now for shares. I don't want to give away too much sauce on YouTube, but we're expecting some pretty big news. I'll just say that. J Trades, I actually like both Apex and TopStep. They're both great companies. They both pay out, which is what's important, right? That's what we're all concerned about. I've never had an issue with a payout. Right now, I currently use TopStep. Here's the thing. There's benefits to Apex and there's benefits to TopStep. If you're trading on a Windows-based computer, you want footprint charts. And if you go through if you go through TopStep and choose Quantower as your trading platform, you'll get free access to footprints, which would normally cost, I don't remember the exact amount. I think it's like $30 a month. But you also get access to all of Quantower's premium features, which is like $70 a month. So for that reason, if you're trading on a Windows computer, I would highly recommend going with TopStep. If you're trading on anything other than a Windows-based computer, then I would use Apex just because their accounts are much cheaper. They always have like the 80% off coupons. And you can go with them and go through, like, get the Tradeovate accounts, and you can trade on your cell phone or Macintosh, tablets or whatever else. And so that's the only two ways that I would go. Like, so for me, for my opinion, there's a reason to use Apex, and that's if you don't have a Windows computer, and you'll get cheaper accounts. Again, so mobile, if you're wanting to use a prop firm, you go with Apex, and you would just choose the Trade Evade account. So like if you go to here, I'll give you guys the links, but if you go to Apex Trader Funding and you scroll down, you'll see that there's two options: Rhythmic, which is for computers, and Trade Evade, which will work on a Macintosh or Trade Evade will work on anything basically. It'll work on a Windows computer, it'll work on a phone, a tablet, or a Mac computer. But really, if you have a Windows computer, you really probably just want to go with Top Step. Again, if you're wanting to use a prop firm. And here, let me just give you the that's the Apex Trader Funding website. And then what I'm going to give you right now is a referral code, but it'll give you 80% off of Apex accounts. I don't have one for Top Step. So again, like for me, this is not like a money grab thing, because if it was a money grab thing, I'd be like, oh, just go with Apex, right? But that's not realistic. Like if you're trading on a Windows computer, you want to go on Top Step, and you want to go to what's it called? With the Quantower option. And if you're trading on anything else other than a Windows computer, then go with Apex, because their accounts are cheaper. And and then you can go with the Trade Evade account, and they pay out. So Top Step just actually increased their payout cap. And so what you're talking about, I think it's $5,000 per week that you can withdraw, which is plenty. Apex, the payouts cap depends on the size of the account that you have. But you can read about that on their website. Like, I can't give you specifics because it's specific to the account size that you have. But I can give you an example. Like on Apex, if you have a $50,000 account, you're limited to withdrawing $2,000 bi-monthly. So twice a month you can withdraw $2,000. Once you've had the account, it's $5,000 per account. So you could have multiple accounts, and then it's $5,000 per account per week, basically. With Apex, you're limited to $2,000 bi-weekly, and that would be for a $50,000 account. Again, like it really depends on the account size, but once you've had the account for 4 months, you can withdraw anything over the drawdown limit. So like if you ran up the account to $100,000 in in that 4-month period, then you would be able to withdraw we'll just say roughly like $49,000 on the 4th month. So it's not and the same thing with Top Step. Like after a certain period, they'll switch you to a live account, and they'll let you cash everything out. So they don't limit you, $5,000 and $2,000 for life. It just once you get to a certain point on the account, they'll let you withdraw everything. So you just really have to read the rules. So did we finally tap 16? They still are fading 16. We need to go hit it. Was that it just now? 1575. There we go. We just hit 516. Again, possible rejection here on NQ. There's also a chance they push this to 522. I would not be looking to short here just because we have the POC, the Delta POC, like right below at 510. 522, 528, I would consider shorting depending on how price reacts when we get there. But also right now, like on the lower time frames, we're now basically, we're making new higher highs, which turns me to a bullish mindset.
You also turn on the ATM, bro. The video's running.
Oh yeah, pff, of course. It was pretty obvious to me they were going to do this. I mean, you guys heard me talking about 16 and 22. That should be 22 hit, right? Or we're very close. 2150. I don't have a code for Top Step. I don't think there are really any codes. Like they have a special right now. I think it's like $59 for a 50K account. So, playthrough games. Yeah, we do videos. We do, and when I say we, it's me and my mentor. So my mentor, his name is Shorty, and he's like an actual market maker. We tend to do classes on Sundays. We'll be doing a class next Sunday. I forget what we're doing a class on, but we'll be doing a class next Sunday. And then if you just go to my my YouTube channel, I'll pull it up for you guys so I can just show you specifically what I'm talking about. I mean, if you're really wanting to learn what's on my screen, I would start by reading the books I have pinned in my description. One is Trading in the Zone by Anna Cooling. One is Trading in the Zone is by Mark Douglas. One is Volume Price Analysis by Anna Cooling, and one is Volume Profile by Trader Dale. Highly recommend reading those 3 books to start with. And then there's other books that you want to read after that. But if you click on videos, and so like anyone that says class, so this is a class on footprints, which is this chart here that we're watching. Oh, did we reject like right at 20? Look at how sexy that is. I missed it because I had this up, but that was a great short. Hopefully somebody listened. And then like this is a really short video on SIGs, which is also on my screen. This is a pretty long video on TPO, which is market profile. And then this is another video on TPO market profile. We teach the same thing, like over and over and over again, basically. This here is a video on fibs, which is absolutely amazing. Another video here on footprints. I have a video here on why to trade futures versus options. And then again, if you just look for any that kind of say class, that's what you're looking for. But anyway, if we go under like the live videos, you have to scroll a bit further on these ones, but anytime that it says class, so like here, class with Shorty on footprints and market profile. This was like an introduction, and it's not 6 hours long. I should clip this, but I haven't gotten around to it. I'm lazy, I guess. I should add, like for people that are new, my YouTube channel is really not like, I don't do the whole shock and awe BS and like try to grab people's attention by saying like, oh, this is the next stock going to 1,000% and whatever. I just kind of call things out live and raw and what I see. And I'm sure just, if you've been watching for just a few minutes, you can see the accuracy. Like when we were, I don't know, down, I don't even remember exactly where, but down here somewhere I said long, first target was 501, which got hit. And then I said next target 516. And we got a rejection like right around 516. And then I said above that, we're going to 522. And then I said that's where you want to look for a reversal short. And if you did that, this is probably where you're wanting to close, pretty close, somewhere between 504 and 500. So we're pretty deadly with the levels. We teach it. And then also, this isn't different to me, but if you're really interested, in the description of all of my videos is my mentor's Discord. You're always welcome to join. The whole focus of the Discord is education and teaching people how to trade. And generally, we go live and trade, daily. But it's not really like about calling out trades. It's really about teaching people how to fish for themselves and become, self-sufficient traders. So that's what it's about. I'm probably just going to stay on for a little bit longer. I'm getting pretty tired. I was worked 3 12-hour shifts in a row, and I'm pretty exhausted. Not gonna happen. Why not? Actually, I can turn on my... When Shorty's live, I turn off my webcam, but I can always turn it back on. Let me turn my lights on really quick. Here's my tired ass in my scrubs. Here, for all the influencers, this is my surprised face. We're going next big chip company. No. Yeah, 3 12-hour shifts. Actually, I used to be a fireman, listen and relax. But I broke my back in 2000. And when that happened, I was a single custodial father with 2 young boys. And so I had to retrain into a career that I could get through school kind of quickly. And so I went with respiratory therapy because it's just an associate's degree. So I'm a respiratory therapist now. I would not be surprised to see us break down now. I mean, this is obviously a very big level, right? 488-ish. But we lose this. We're going to about 464. I think they're going to do it. This right now is absorption. And so it's just basically a fight between buyers and sellers, and you have to see who wins here. And then they're fighting, kind of at our key level right now. So if we get some aggressive selling, we're coming down to 64. Shorty literally just said, you can't make this up. We're not, he can't hear me. 464 shall be tapped today on NQ. But I mean, that just speaks to it. That's my mentor. Maybe our brains are slightly connected in some way or shape or form. Let's see it, NQ. We're ready for it. Getting pretty sketchy here. This is absolutely, yeah, we just lost it. Lose 83. This is an easy short to 64. Actually, I should say lose 81, but not bad to short right here. If you missed the 522 short that we had called out, this was obviously the spot to get in. Double zeros at the top. But now, if you're not already in, losing 81 gives you 64. There we go. Yeah, there's nothing there to bounce off of. Keep going. Right now, it's just a matter of time, really. Like, they're going to slice this. Yeah, NQ's literally, we're going to 64. It's happening. I don't want to discourage you either way, but I would definitely say go with phlebotomy over EMS, and over both of those, I would go with like X-ray or MRI tech. They make really good money, and it's not a lot of schooling. So, okay, you can stop screwing around now. NQ, we need 64. Why not? Why not? What did I see at 64? It's basically, there's this delta node right here that they're going to want to tap, and NQ generally like slices past levels. So 64 is the safe level to close, but I wouldn't be surprised to actually see them hit 60, 460. And also, it's just kind of the middle of the spike and the spike base. I can't believe they're fading this right now. Sellers are looking pretty aggressive right here. And this is a very key level. If they reclaim 92, we're going back up. Yeah, no worries, Emmanuel. That's just my recommendation. Like, there's nothing wrong with EMS other than that they don't get paid very well, and they don't get paid what they're worth is basically the problem. Too much schooling required for not enough for reimbursement. And for like phlebotomists, do you really want to be walking around like a hospital or whatever and just drawing blood nonstop? Like, that's what you're going to do. If you don't mind doing a 2-year program, then go to school to be a respiratory therapist. Because, like, our job, we have to be available for emergencies. So you have downtime to take naps or watch movies or watch TV or just BS or whatever you want to do, really. I probably worked like maybe 4 hours last night out of my 12-hour shift. Let's go, 64. Let's go. You know, on another day where price action's not so crappy, we would have already hit 64. Listen and relax. You'll find that there's not very many people that are like complete full-time day traders. And so I have a few very good reasons, but one thing just to put things into perspective, like the first thing is try shopping for insurance for a single family on your own, you know, cash money out of pocket. And for crappy insurance, you're going to be paying about $30,000 a year, right? And so having a full-time job that will pay for your benefits cuts out a very big expense. And then the second thing is when you rely on, oh wow, they reclaimed 92. Probably going back up to at least, well, they have to get over 500. Once they get over 500, we're going back to 510, 516, 522. Would be all the levels that you watch for rejections. So anyway, if you trade full time and you don't have another source of income, things start to get very stressful. Shoot, I probably need to take this call. Hang on one second.
I also quite enjoy my job, but it's part-time, so I can only do it part-time anyway. So it's just a nice way to, get some fuller income personally. And when you have a job that's, you like, but you don't have to do it full time, you tend to be more excited to go to work and have more fun at it because it's not something you're fully relying on. You're just doing it, because it's something you enjoy and you're doing it for a little bit of, consistent money. Yeah.
All right, everybody. So pretty much everything that I've said so far is played out, except for we haven't hit 64, but it's going to happen at some point today. Again, break over 500, we go to 510, over 510, 516, over 516, we're going to 522. You want to look for, any kind of sign of reversal at any of those levels, and then hope that the next push down is the one that goes down to 464. But so that call I took, it was my director at work, and he asked if I can go to work tonight because they need a supervisor. So I was his last ditch effort, so I agreed to go in even though I really don't want to. So with that said, I am going to kill this live right now. Hopefully it was informative though. Hopefully you guys got to see how we trade a little bit. It should be apparent that we're pretty deadly with the levels, calling like the tops and the bottoms and stuff. Yeah, with that said, we'll go live a little bit later this afternoon and just chart up SPY really quick, and then that'll do it. So have a good day, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate the love, and we'll see you later today. All right, take care, everyone. Shoot, what am I doing? Bear with me. All right, take care. Peace out. Bye.